One of these personal blenders made a perfect smoothie. The other crashed and burned, literally. I bought both the Ninja Fit personal blender and the Magic Bullet and have used them for a variety of jobs. Both do great with things that aren't frozen, but I wanted to put them to the test with the thing people make most in a personal blender, the frozen fruit smoothie. And one of them just can't handle the pressure. For this demonstration, I'm making mango peach smoothies. Each has 2 handfuls of frozen mango, half a frozen peach in slices, a half cup of whole milk yogurt, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of guava juice, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I love this smoothie to show blender capability because there are 2 big challenges here. Can it blend up all the frozen fruit without leaving chunks? And can it chop up the tiny chia seeds into smaller, less grainy pieces? You'll notice their capacities are actually very similar, even though the Ninja Fit has a slimmer, taller build and the Magic Bullet is wider and shorter. Both my concoctions stayed below the max fill line. Both of these blenders have 4-prong blades, though the Ninja's rises significantly higher than the Magic Bullets. I place both on the base and press down, and immediately I feel some resistance coming from the Magic Bullet. It's telling me no, but I'm not catching on. Meanwhile, the Ninja has already completed its blend. I thought, surely if I push harder, it will work. So I recruited my son and then husband to help. And they definitely helped until we smelled burnt motor and realized this was way too much to ask of the little Magic Bullet. But maybe it still made a great smoothie before it gave up the ghost. I opened my Ninja cup to see a textbook perfect smoothie. No chunks of fruit, and beautifully eviscerated chia seeds. And this is after 6 months of near daily smoothies. Then I open the Magic Bullet. Bummer. So, does this mean the Magic Bullet is never the right choice? Well, I certainly wouldn't recommend it if you want to make frozen fruit smoothies. But if you're not trying to blend hard things, it'll do the job. Mine, sadly, only lasted a couple weeks before I pushed it beyond its capabilities. The Ninja Fit, however, is excellent. I love mine and can 1000% recommend it if you're looking to make delicious smoothies. If you want to check out either of these, I'll put links in the description. Thanks for watching.